Belt buckles in Texas, the wind blew like crazy, and rain, rain, rain. That and more coming up now. Welcome everybody to another edition of Georgia Archery's Week in Review. I'm your host, Big John Chandler. And this is where we talk about anything and everything to do with archery in the state of Georgia and Georgia archers, wherever they may shoot. Well, this past weekend we had a lot going on, or at least we hoped that we did. We had a lot of Georgians go down to the ASA in Texas. It's a long ride, but we had some folks make the top of the podium and some Georgians come home with a belt buckle. Congratulations, guys. Also, we had some guys go to the Texas shootout at Texas A&M, and we had some kids show up pretty good, and they did a good job. So, congratulations, guys. Y'all worked hard and in that wind. The wind blew in Texas everywhere and anywhere, but they had a good time. Congratulations, all you Georgians who went out there and shot. Well, Full Draw Archery did their thing for the weekend, and it was wet, wet, wet. So not a lot of folks showed up. Better luck next month. Rocky Branch Archery had 25 shooters for this weekend. Well, on Saturday, for you 3 deers, Amicalola had about 30 shooters. Ace Hardware had over 30 shooters for their event over at Buckeye Plantation. The Black Mountain coon shoot was canceled due to thunderstorms. The Georgia Southern had a pretty good turnout down there and had some pretty good folks make the podium. Congratulations, guys. Well, on Sunday, Ogeechee Bowman had about 51 shooters. Black Mountain Archery canceled their 3D shoot due to thunderstorms. And DS Archery canceled their shoot because of the rain. You can find this information and a whole lot more on our website, www.georgiaarchery.com. Throughout the week, we post all kinds of things on our Facebook page, Facebook/Georgia Archery. You can find this video and a whole lot more on our YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and post them for your friends. And if you have some information you want to share with us, send me an email at georgiaarchery@gmail.com. Well, I want to let everybody know that the GAA State Target registration is now open, so go register for that event. I'll have a link below for more information. Also, if you take pictures at a shoot and you want to send them to me and put them so I can put them on the video, send me an email and I'll send you a link to the Dropbox and you can drop the pictures in instead of trying to email them and compress them and everything like that. It's real simple. All you have to do is send me an email. Make sure in the tagline you say pictures. Well, what's coming up this weekend? It's another great weekend of shooting, let's hope. The GBAA Spring Turkey Shoot is this weekend. That's 2 days worth. You'll have 20 targets of known and 20 targets of unknown. You can shoot it all in one day, or you can shoot it over the 2-day period. So go down to Fort Gordon and try your luck at some turkeys. 4-H Archery is having their state outdoor event at Rock Eagle this weekend, this Saturday. And there will be a whole lot of kids shooting arrows and a whole lot of fun. So good luck to everybody coming down to this way, to Rock Eagle, and having some fun. Hope to see you there. For you 3D'ers, Old Soul Hunters is having the second leg of the North Georgia circuit. And on Sunday, DS Archery has a 3D state qualifier for the ASA State Championships. Also, the North Georgia Traditional Archery Club is having a shoot this weekend. So get your stick and string and have some fun. Well, that's about it for this week. Take someone and teach them how to shoot a bow. It'll last them a lifetime. Until then, I'm Big John. We'll see ya.